Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Let me also salute the presence of His Excellency Governor Wike, the Governor of Rivers State. Your Excellency, I thank you for being here also. I will not join others who are lobbying you to come over to the APC, because we have enough problems in the APC to add more. But we are happy that everybody spoke so well about you. Somebody has mentioned the East-West Road. Be rest assured that the structure you see there as East-West Road will soon change. I have assured you, and Mr. President has said so, that everything will be done to ensure the completion of that road. It started in 2006, and as usual, it is a vowed commitment to ensure that no project that will benefit Nigerians is left undone in his administration. He has assured all Niger Deltans that everything will be done to ensure the completion of the East-West Road. From Warri in Efurum all the way to Oron, the most dangerous part right now is the Eleme Junction. And the Governor of Rivers said, if we delayed at all, because you were touching a lot of federal projects, we thought you would touch that area. But since you have neglected to touch that area, we assure you that we are already on the road. Our city has started work, and very soon, I'm sure you were leaving that one so that you will use it to mock us. But then, I'm assuring you that we are going to disappoint you, because we are going to complete that East-West Road, and on time. Your Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, because you are not yet in APC, I will not call you a performing governor. But the moment you come, I will call you a performing governor. So I thank you for being personally present here, and also with your deputy. I know that even the praises we are heaping on you today show clearly that you are in the wrong direction. So it's time for you to come to where you are being appreciated. So I thank you so much for your presence here.
The former governor of Akpabio State, I thought we came fully to commission this project. I didn't know that former Governor Akpabio will turn it a political rally. But let the records be straight. I prefer to say where there is malaria than to go to where there is cancer. So, former governor, malaria is treatable. Cancer at 4th stage, you are likely to die. So I don't want to die now. So I'm very comfortable to remain where Nigerians have hope. Well, Mr. President, I don't want to say that, because I thought it's Akpabio alone. I would have told him something. You know. When I came in 2015, all the projects awarded by the previous administration, I completed all of them. Because it's public fund. It's public fund. It's not a question of who awarded. That is not the point. It's who finished it. Just like you finished the international airport. We started it under Akpabio when he was in PDP. All the performance Akpabio claimed he did, was it under which party? Akpabio became an uncommon governor under where? Is he an uncommon minister now? It's not. It's not. So, you know, so it is the right time for you to come back where you became uncommon. This is the right time for you. Since you left, you have lost all that position. So today's the right day for you to make that decision. And I know as you are sitting down now, I know you will take the decision today.
I'm also here to settle the controversy between Governor Nyesom Wike and Honourable Minister Godswill Akpabio. We will settle that controversy in a most uncommon way, but I will be disclosing the details of that to them in a moment or two. But Governor Wike, thank you very much for your warm and generous hospitality, not just today, but every time that I've visited the state. Thank you very much indeed.
Inside the Niger Delta,